Hello there, and today in this series of land vehicles, I will briefly introduce you to the DINGO 2 HD CP. The safety of soldiers has a special priority in military operations. With the DINGO family, Krauss Maffei Wegmann or KMW has developed a highly mobile wheeled vehicle that uncompromisingly meets this requirement thanks to its protection concept. In cooperation with the German defense authorities, the DINGO was tested and qualified in accordance with official test conditions. The vehicle impressively demonstrated its outstanding properties in an extensive test against ballistic threats, anti-tank mines, artillery fragments and IEDs. The risk of injury to the occupants was reduced beyond the prescribed level. And thus, the DINGO family has a level of protection that has not been achieved by other vehicles in its class. With the safety cell, KMW guarantees direct occupant protection against pressure waves and ballistic threats. A mine-proof seating system prevents the transmission of blast energy to crew members, and it looks quite interesting when you look at it. The protection optimized stowage concept for equipment and also personal equipment also protects the occupants from the secondary effects of mine and IED pressure waves. Combat wheels with run-flat rings ensure sufficient residual mobility over 50 kilometers in the event of a destroyed tire casing or the loss of pressure. This ensures that after an attack, it's possible to leave the immediate area of danger under one's own power. And an integrated NBC protection system also allows safe use in contaminated environments. And probably no other Bundeswehr vehicle has saved as many lives as the DINGO. As an all-protection transport vehicle or ATF, it's particularly in demand on convoy or patrol trips. Due to its relatively small dimensions, narrow and winding streets in built-up areas can also be easily driven on. Its Unimog chassis makes it agile and off-road. And of course, the DINGO is also armored. And this armor can withstand a few kilograms of TNT explosives and also light machine gun fire. And its weapon station can be operated under armor protection. The ATF DINGO can be armed with the MG3 machine gun, the 40mm automatic grenade launcher, or a .50 heavy machine gun. The DINGO in general can accommodate up to 8 people. It will be different in today's version. The Bundeswehr owns more than 500 DINGOs in different versions though. They are mostly used in the army and in the armed forces base, and 50 are supposed to go to Ukraine. The DINGO 2 HD command post is a mobile, highly protected wheeled vehicle based on the field-proven DINGO series for versatile mission profiles and extreme terrain conditions. Thanks to the system-compatible integration of the latest command and control technologies, KMW is able to provide fast communication options and thus effective action in military missions. The DINGO 2 HD command post is an innovative command vehicle with a safety cell connected to the driver and crew compartment. And due to its modular interior concept, a wide variety of guide systems can be integrated whatever is required. For improved use of the VHF radio, the vehicle is equipped with an extendable mast system at the rear, which can be operated from the safety cell. And I put all the features of the DINGO 2 HD command post according to the manufacturer together again, of course. It's a DINGO 2 with a Unimog chassis. This one has up to 6 crew members. There is a driver, a commander, which is at the same time the co-driver. There's operator management and communication systems for 3 people. There's also a jump seat, and it has this extendable mast system for the VHF antennas at the rear of the vehicle. It has storage space for personal equipment. It has a rear electrical ramp and an interface for integrating an HF radio device and an interface for the external supply. And it has an optional weapon station. But of course, we also have the standard product features. The length is 6 meters 60, the width is 2 meters 39, the height is 2 meters 70, the weight is up to 14.5 tons, the engine power is 225 kilowatts, The range is more than 800 kilometers, and of course it has the protection against mines, ballistics, IEDs and NBC. But there are some more features the manufacturer shows, and I want to bring them too, of course. I already talked about the 6 crew members, but it also has a passive all-round protection for the crew against mines, shelling and booby traps. Those are the so-called IEDs. It has a modular interior concept for integrating a wide variety of guide systems. It has this extendable mast system, which is really important for this one, and it has a high level of off-road capability thanks to the unique structural connection of the safety cell to the chassis, while retaining the chassis frame's torsional flexibility. And if you want to know more about interesting military technology, you'll find my next video right here in the end screen. And if I calculated correctly, you will see the first video on a Dingo 3 next week, Tulu. So greetings to Canada. I'll see you in my next video. I'll be back.